My people, wahala no dey finish wahala dey for big compound, as in my beautiful people, wahala dey for government body. Yes, I just got a news right now say Kenyan president he don remove im body kpatakpata for the matter for the kidnapping for mazi Nnamdi Kanu, the IPOB leader. My people, make we read together. News from Kenya states that Kenyan president has extricated the country from the saga of Nnamdi Kanu kidnappings. He said that the act was criminal and Nigeria infiltrated its borders illegally. He further stated that Nigeria employed some Kenyans to abduct mazi Nnamdi Kanu and that some officials have been arrested for this. He has threatened to take Nigeria government to ICC. My people, this matter is just the way it is, because truly, this matter is kidnapping. He traveled with a British passport, arrived Kenya for his international trip, and was illegally taken from Kenya to Nigeria, abducted, kidnapped because of the war or the trouble he has with the Nigerian government. My people, I don't know what you think about this video, but there is a video right here about the Kenyan president denying every implication in the kidnapping of mazi Nnamdi Kanu. I'll leave you people to watch it, but before then, please do not forget to subscribe if you like what I'm doing in this channel. Turn on your post notification so that whenever I upload a video, you'll be amongst the first to be notified. And thank you for all the support you are giving me. I will see you in my next video. As of now, I'm out. Let's watch.
I want to address this allegation by denying that Kenya was involved in the alleged arrest in Kenya and extradition to Nigeria of Mr. Kanu. And I repeat, I want to address this allegation by denying that Kenya was involved in the alleged arrest in Kenya and extradition to Nigeria of Mr. Kanu. To us, therefore, this allegation are fictional, imaginary, and deliberately concocted to fuel antagonistic feelings amongst certain sections of the Nigerian people against the Kenyan people. And indeed, many countries have been accused. Rwanda, Czech Republic, Britain, Ethiopia, and God knows which other countries. I want to challenge anyone with facts relating to this alleged arrest in Kenya to present these facts. This will include when, how, and who was particularly involved in the alleged arrest. And in any case, I believe you are all Nigerians. Nigeria is a sovereign country. It's your country. Instead of facing the Kenyan High Commission to Nigeria to ask some of these questions, you should face your own government. The government of Nigeria knows how they arrested, maybe in Nigeria, and took Kanu to court. They have the answers, not me. We are also disturbed, dismayed, and astonished by the unfortunate statement of this alleged arrest in Kenya, which was carried in the Nation newspaper today. The government of Kenya is particularly appalled by these spurious, derogatory, and libelous mention of the name of our dear president in this matter, as has been reported in the Nation, dated 2nd July 2021. It's unfortunate. I, as the High Commissioner of the Republic of Kenya, the Federal Republic of Nigeria, wish to categorically emphasize that our two countries, Kenya and Nigeria, have and continue to enjoy cordial diplomatic relations with both federal government of Nigeria and its great accommodating and amiable citizens. We have no intention of interfering with internal affairs of Nigeria, which includes arresting of armed citizens on matters of crime. Kenya is committed to sustain the historical bond of friendship between our two governments and the peoples of our two countries. We wish further to cement our diplomatic relations with a view to ensure mutually beneficial relations between our two countries. In conclusion, on this case of alleged arrest in Kenya of Mr. Kanu, I wish to categorically state here that we are not happy at this ridiculous attempt of dragging the name of Kenya and His Excellency President Uhuru Kenyatta on this matter of arrest and extradition of the self-acclaimed IPOB leader. Thank you for your audience. You will get us a copy of this statement. I don't know how many copies you have made available, and I wish to comment no further. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Okay, the Kenyan High Commissioner Naija just talked now. He say go answer question and he don't deny say Kenya get hand for inside the arrest and repatriation of the IPOB leader Nnamdi Kanu. So now the little we take from the Kenyan High Commission for Nigerian capital Abuja with this, and as you hear, we don't hear say Kenya say they no get hand inside waiting don't happen the arrest of IPOB leader Nnamdi Kanu. Tori don't waka say either na Kenya or na Brazil or na Ethiopia or na Czech Republic now they catch them from, but Kenya don't come out to say no be their country now they catch them. Even UK also don't come out say no be for their land they catch them and they no get hand for in arrest. And so now the little we take from the High Commission with this.